Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can add custom font in Horizon theme and how you can apply that to your settings. So here you can see this is the default font on Horizon theme. So I will upload a new custom font and update that on all of your website. I will also tell you how you can apply that to only headings or maybe only to the paragraphs. So let's start the video. First of all, you will have to download the font that you want to use. Here I have written an article. I will provide the link for that in the description. And here under commercial fonts website, you can see I have provided a website, and here you can download any font you want to use. If you already have a font, then you can skip this part. In this video, I can download this font and I can tell you how you can apply that to the theme. Here you will get the zip file. You can open it, extract the zip file. Here you will get several font files. You need to upload the font in Shopify in WOFF2 format. Here you can see WOFF2 format. This is the format that we are going to use in this video. So whatever format you have, you can go to a website like Cloud Convert, and here you can upload the file and convert your font to WOFF2 format. So for example, here I have TTF format. I will upload it and I will select WOFF2 format and I will click on convert. Here you can see it's converted. I will download it. So I have downloaded it. Now the next step is to upload the font to Shopify files. So I will go to Shopify and go to content, go to files, and here you can upload the file. So here the file is uploaded. You can see now you can go to article again, and here you will get this prompt. You can copy it. Now go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt and go to Shopify, and here you have uploaded the font. Just copy the link of that. Go to ChatGPT again and here replace the font URL with the URL that you have copied and press enter. So here it will write a small code. Just copy it and now go to the Shopify again and go to online store. Here you can edit the code for the theme that you want, on which you want to apply. You can create a duplicate of your theme as a backup if you want. Go to edit code. Here search for themes liquid file, theme.liquid, and paste this code after the head tag and just click on save. Now go to the store and click on refresh. So here you can see that new font is applied on all of the text. Now if you want to change only in the headings, then you can remove these tags. So just keep the tags on which you want to apply the new font. Now it will apply only to the headings. Click on save again. Click on refresh. So here you can see now it is applying only to the headings. If you need any help, do contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.